IoT and Healthcare, an overview. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This report is focused on Internet of Things or IoT's impact on healthcare, emphasizing the need for adaptation as IoT solutions expand. This paper aims to achieve global connectivity between IoT and medical environments, addressing challenges for professionals and transforming healthcare through efficient integration. Some applications of IoT in healthcare include remote patient monitoring, self-maintenance medical devices, and telemedicine with virtual visits, all of which enhance patient care and increase the access of healthcare services. 5G networks are going to play a major role in order to enable widespread adoption of IoT and improve the patient monitoring system in healthcare. The extensive study came up with a proposal for healthcare industry with future readiness with the use of IoT. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.